Hey there. So, imagine you have a problem where you have a list of strings that represent MAC addresses, but in a format that is not the standard one. The problem lies in converting these strings into the correct MAC address format, which should be uppercase and with colons separating each pair of characters. The solution to this problem involves creating a function that takes the list of strings as input. Inside the function, each string is first manipulated to remove the dots and convert all characters to uppercase. Then, using list comprehension in the join function, the string is divided into pairs of characters, with colons added to create the final MAC address format. The function returns a list of the converted MAC addresses. To see it in action, you can run the function with the provided list of strings. This approach ensures that the problematic strings are properly formatted into standard MAC addresses. By following this solution, you can easily convert any similar strings into the correct format with just a few lines of code. So, if you ever encounter a similar issue, now you know how to tackle it like a pro. In the end, it's all about simplifying problems and finding elegant solutions. With the function provided, you can effortlessly convert those pesky strings into neat MAC addresses. So, tackle those coding challenges with confidence, and remember, a well-formatted MAC address is a happy MAC address. Stay curious, keep coding, and until next time, happy coding.